My name is Henry. I sell stationaries, educational equipment, and gift items. Mike Mokoma Interdis. I've been here for about 18 years now. One of the challenges I'm facing is this electricity of a thing. Because I'm staying inside, you can see that I'm inside. That is the major challenge. Then as per se, because once there is a light, somebody can be able to see what you are selling. They don't bring light often. There's no constant electricity here. I've been spending money on generator. In a month, I spend like 50,000-60,000 depending on the usage. I will save a lot of money. 28 days in a month. Without fuel and any other thing, I will save nothing less than 30,000 naira. I will venture this money to other things, because since human wants is many, there's other things that are lacking behind since I've been putting money in electricity. But now, at least since I can be able to save such amount of money. In my own feeding, maybe transportation, I can fix it there. It's a plus.